Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and on a day where Bitcoin is up to $61,600 at the time of this recording, could be heading higher later today. By the time you're seeing this, maybe Bitcoin's even at $72,000 or $73,000. Jasmy is actually one of the top losers today, but I am increasingly getting more and more bullish on Jasmy coin the more that I look into it. Today, I want to talk about the relationship with Sony, actually looking at the leadership team for Jasmy. I want to look at their partnership with Panasonic, which is actually something that has come to my attention recently. And I want to look at a new chart that I saw going back into the history of when this thing first launched and what we can expect. Can Jasmy go to $1? Well, stick around to the end of this video. Let me get through everything for you. You're going to want to stick around to the end. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel, guys. Bitcoin at $71,600. And like I said, there are some coins moving today on the 24-hour gainers. Stacks, we've talked a lot. I'm going to talk more about stacks for you guys through this bull market. Very bullish on layer 2 solution for Bitcoin DeFi. Chronos getting a beautiful recovery today for all the Crow fam out there that follows our content as well. On the last 24 hours, however, Jasmy's down 7.51%. It's crashing. No, it is not. It is a simple retracement after a 57% pump over the last 7 days. No surprise there. Same thing happening with this not coin. You know, after a coin pumps, guys, there's a little bit of a retracement. So what do we have to be aware of for Jasmy overall? Again, this is on many big exchanges. It's at a $1.89 billion market cap, which might seem large, but it is actually rather small. If you go back to the beginning of this token, you can see that this thing launched back in 2021, and it was doing pretty well through that bull market. But then as we approached a bear market, boom, this thing came down with the rest of the bear market. So a little bit of history on Jasmy coin that I wanted to share with you guys. First of all, Jasmy was launched and founded in April of 2016. So it's been around for a while, but still relatively new. And then in October of 2021, according to Coinbase, Jasmy was actually launched in Japan, the coin itself. So what's interesting about this is when you look at the chart, and I found a new chart, the chart goes back all the way to January of 2021. But then if you look at October of 2021, here you go. So I'm going to assume that this whole area was like seed round investing and things like this, and maybe this wasn't open to the public, or maybe Coinbase has their information wrong. But as we're looking back to what the highs are, guys, $5.22. Now, we've been talking about Jasmy going to $1 for a while. And the recent peak that we've been looking at was this one right at about $3.30, excuse me. Right now, Jasmy coin having a beautiful breakout at like 3.8 cents. So yes, I think an easy 10x is on the table for this. And I do believe this coin can get to $1, which was a level that we've seen it do in the past. In fact, like right at the bottom of kind of this little move right here, you can see there is a spot where, you know, the dollar price level is. So we might see some resistance at $1, but this thing actually could potentially go as high, you know, as its previous high. Now, the tokenomics and the inflationary aspect of this token makes that less likely, but frankly, in a bull market where the overall crypto market cap is just exploding and trillions of dollars flow into this space as Bitcoin continues to rally and this overall market cap continues to go up, a coin like Jasmy that has a big community could get a rally. Well, what else do we need to be aware of with Jasmy? Well, besides the fact that, you know, this thing was launched and hasn't really experienced a full-fledged bull market yet, really hasn't been around long enough to get any community together to experience a full bull market. I kind of want to say like this is actually Jasmy's first bull market. You know, they've got some partnerships with Panasonic and VAIO and some others. But here's another thing that came to my attention. If you look at the leaders of this, the management structure, first of all, very much a Asian base here. And what you'll see is this individual, the representative director, is the former president and COO of Sony. One of the largest companies in the world when it comes to tech and electronics. Former CEO of Sony Style is the president and CEO. You see so many of these very big names getting involved, was part of KBMG over here for the CFO. So a lot of really big folks, and it's like all Sony. A lot of the Sony bigwigs came over to develop this. So that might give you an idea as to where the success could potentially be with this. And then you can get into some of the details of what they actually offer. You know, you can see what are they actually offering. So if you go back over here, What are the potential use cases? Trying to address several challenges in the digital age, the Jasmy platform aims to ensure its customers' confidentiality and gives them the right to manage their own personal data, which is so huge right now, especially in Asian societies, especially in China, which China might not like that so much. And so people are saying, you know, this is essentially the Korean Bitcoin is kind of what people are saying, right? So this is, I think, a little bit bigger in Korea and maybe Japan as opposed to China. But this is kind of the direction that we're headed, right? Kind of more details on this. You can kind of get into what this is, but an Internet of Things play, certainly some big powerhouses behind the leadership of this project. And then obviously getting headlines like this is beautiful. Jasmy partnering with Panasonic to launch Web3 Internet of Things platform. This happened in March 26, 2024. So this is a brand new story, as of this year as well. So there's a lot more things that could potentially come. Again, bigwigs on this were part of the integral part of the Sony team at one point. So Sony's involved in a sense, not Sony directly, but Sony team members. Panasonic, a big partner for them right now. And then recently there was the rumor of the Apple partnership. It wasn't quite true, but, a soft tie to that more so. But news like this, guys, gets the prices moving. And this Panasonic partnership definitely helps. There could be more to come. I wouldn't be surprised considering the background of the leadership for this team. They've probably got some relationships, and relationships are key. Momentum is key. Momentum's certainly there for Jasmy. I could see $1. In fact, looking at the previous price action for this token, this thing was up at $5 at one point. Can we get there? Well, the tokenomics make that tricky, but $1 doesn't seem that far-fetched for me. So I do say Jasmy to $1. Let's see that thing happen. That's going to be tremendous gains. If Jasmy goes to $1 from here, guys, you're basically looking at a 2,400% gain, which is possible. At the end of the day, there's going to be a lot of coins that rally in these bull markets. No guarantees on any of this, guys, but speculation, doing the due diligence, doing the research, trying to pick some good plays, very bullish on other coins like Stacks. Obviously, Ethereum might have an ETF coming. We're going to continue to keep you guys updated on all things crypto. Now, if you want to trade some of the volatility in these things, and yesterday we were talking about trading this breakout through here, might get some resistance up here, you could open up a long, right? If you want to leverage trade, one of our favorite leverage trading platforms in crypto is fomc. We might have some more partnerships coming along, but fomc has a beautiful sign up bonus, $4,100 when you sign up using our link in the description down below. If you want to trade some of the volatility in these markets, that is a great platform to do it on. So check it out if you haven't done so already. We've got some merch for you down below. You can become a member on our channel to access our private Discord as well, to kind of get a in-depth understanding of our personal plays, me and Black C, in our private Discord. That's all I got for you guys on this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, guys, don't forget to DCA, HODL, do your own research, and we will see you in the next one. 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all. I'll see you next time.